Clamp joint SX. We offer 3 different dimensions. With this special cutting tool, the clamp joint can be mitered without any problems. Ingenious! By using polymer Quellpaste SX100, the strip is not only fixed in place, but the joint is also sealed too. The principle of the clamp joint: during insertion, the section's ribs buckle, simplifying the insertion process. If water pressure begins to build up behind the strip, its barbed hook principle is triggered. The strip wedges itself between the joint flanks, causing the joint to be sealed securely and permanently.